Now we see one of the learning outcome of class 5th. The learning code is 501. The learning outcome is answer coherently in written or oral forms to the question in the English based day-to-day life experience, familiar or unfamiliar stories, and the poem heard or read. This is the one of the learning outcome of our class 5th. This is the poem. The poem is that the rain is raining all around. It falls on field and trees. It's rain on the umbrellas shears and on the ship at the seas. This is the first stanza. And the second stanza is rain on the green grass and rain on the trees and rain on the housetop, but not upon me. This is the second stanza. This is the one of the poem. From this poem, we have to take activity 1. Activity 1, we see that the teachers reads the poem aloud and learners listen. He reads the poem aloud line by line and learners repeat after each line. Then the teachers divide the class into two groups. One group reads the first stanza and the other groups read the second stanza. Then their turn changes. The teachers may encourage learners to read the poem in the chorus. This is the first activity. In the first activity, the teacher will first do the activity, then the students will follow the teacher's activity. In the second activity, we see that the learners will be encouraged to read the poem silently and the teachers will discuss the poem through the following question to develop their oral skills. The learners will answer the question orally, reading the poem. When the students will reading the poems, they answer the questions which asked by the teachers, and the learners will also encouraged by the teachers. In this way, this activity will be done. From this activity, we have to questions, different type of question. The question is just like that. Which word is used many times in the poem? What is the poem about? What is its use for in the poems? Question number 4. How many times the word rain is used in the poem? 5. Read the poem first line and say where the rain is raining. Question number 6. Where does it rain? Say the place and the things. The students will answer the place as well as things. Question number 7. But not upon me. Who is me here? Question number 8. How do you feel when you get wet in the rain? How do you feel? When the rain is wet, then how you feel? This is the 8 question. The questions answer by the students. If they not answer, the teacher will help to give the answer. Then we see the activities 3. Learners will be asked to write answer to the following questions. We given such type of questions, the learners will written the answer in the given fill in the blanks. Just like 1, the poem is about dash. Second, where dot it rains? Write the place and the things. Question number 3. Join the last sentence of the poems at last part with the first sentence of the poem and make a new long sentence. The students will able to this sentence. They join the last and the new first sentence. And then 4. Make a list of the all the God make things described in the poem. How the God made things, the students will they write down the in the fill in the blanks. Question number 5. Make a list of a man-made things described in the poems. Which is the man-made things described in the poem? They will write down here. 6. Who is me in the poem? A child or the poet such a child. 7. How the last line is different from the other lines in the poem. How the last line and other line different from the poem, they will explain and write down here. The learners will write the answer individually first. All the students they write down individually. Then they will sit in the pair and check their answer. They exchange their answer sheet and they evaluate each others. Finally, they will sit in the group or 4 or 5 and ask question to each other and check their answer. The teachers assess their understandings learning by asking different type of questions and provide the techniques along with the feedback. Such as how do you know that this is answer? Why is this word repeated several times? See, this type of question asked by the teachers when he observe when the interaction or discussion question answer. Then we see the activities. The teacher will encourage learner to sit in the group and make a list some of the place or things where the rain rains, and write 5 to 7 sentence. The teacher will give one example how to write the sentence. Then in this activity, all the students they make a different group, just like 3 or 4 group, and each group they write different sentence, just like here is the one example: school garden, it's rain on the school garden. The teacher one example given here. In such a way, there are 7 blanks, they write down in the 7 blanks. Now activity, see the activity, the teacher will ask some question related to their real life or experience in the rainy season to assess the learning outcome. This activity can be done in the whole class mode. So this is the activities where the learning outcome must be related to these activities, because this is the real life where the experience of the rainy season, they assess their feelings and they experience how the activity will be done in their environment. In this way they answer the question, just like in which month does it rain more in our states, what do you see outside in the rainy day. All the questions are related to the rainy day. The students will answer the following questions. Question number 3: what happened when it's rained heavily? Name some festival we observe in the rainy seasons. Which season do you like most and why? These are all the questions related to the rainy days. So the students will try to answer the question. If they will not give the answer, the teacher will help the students and support the students to give the answers. Then activity, the teacher will help learners extend the points by writing 2 or more stanza, like last stanza using the words they have already listed in the activity 4. They will sit in the group or 3 and replace the underlined words by using the words. After writing, the group will be asked to present their stanza in the class. The teacher may give the example replacing the word in the first line and assess the learners, asking them to use new words. So see the below lines: the rain on the green grass, and rain on the trees, and rain on the house. This is the one example. The learners will replace the underlined word and they use in the new words in their